Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on how a microwave oven works. In today's modern age, the microwave oven is an essential appliance found in almost every household. It has revolutionized the way we cook, making our lives easier and more convenient. The microwave oven is a remarkable device that uses electromagnetic waves to generate heat, allowing us to cook food quickly and efficiently. The waves cause water molecules in food to vibrate, generating heat and cooking the food. The microwave oven was first invented by Percy Spencer in 1945, and since then, it has undergone many improvements and upgrades, making it one of the most popular household appliances today. Throughout this presentation, we will explore the science behind the microwave oven, how it works, and the safety measures one should take when using it. Moving on to slide 2, we will discuss the heart of the microwave oven, which is the magnetron. The magnetron is a small but essential component of the microwave oven. It generates high-frequency electromagnetic waves, which are used to cook food. It consists of a vacuum tube and a magnet, and when an electrical current is applied, it converts electrical energy into microwave energy. The magnetron generates microwaves of a specific frequency, which is 2.45 GHz, and these waves are responsible for cooking the food in the microwave. Without the magnetron, the microwave oven would not work, and we would not have the convenience of cooking food quickly and efficiently. So, the next time you use your microwave oven, remember to thank the magnetron for its contribution to your delicious meal. On slide 3, we will discuss electromagnetic waves and their role in the microwave oven. Electromagnetic waves are a type of energy that travels at the speed of light. They have a unique characteristic of having both a wavelength and a frequency, which determines their properties. The wavelength determines the distance between the peaks of the wave, while the frequency determines how many peaks pass a given point in a given time. The microwave oven uses microwaves, which have a frequency of 2.45 GHz, to cook food. The microwaves produced by the magnetron are absorbed by the water molecules in the food, causing them to vibrate and generating heat. The use of electromagnetic waves in the microwave oven has revolutionized cooking, making it faster and more efficient. Understanding the properties of electromagnetic waves is crucial to understanding how the microwave oven works and the safety measures that need to be taken when using it. Slide 4 focuses on the concepts of reflection and absorption in the microwave oven. When microwaves are emitted by the magnetron, they bounce around the oven, hitting the metal walls and the food. The metal walls of the oven reflect some of the waves, preventing them from reaching the food. However, the food absorbs some of the waves, and this absorption generates heat in the food, causing it to cook. The absorption of microwaves by the food is selective, as it depends on the dielectric properties of the food. Foods with high water content absorb microwaves more readily than those with low water content. The combination of reflection and absorption is crucial in determining how quickly and evenly the food is cooked in the microwave oven. It is important to note that some materials, such as metal, can reflect microwaves and cause arcing, which can damage the microwave oven or cause a fire. Therefore, it is essential to use microwave-safe materials when cooking in the microwave oven. Slide 5 explores the concept of polar molecules and their role in the microwave oven. Water molecules are polar, meaning they have a positive end and a negative end. When microwaves are emitted by the magnetron, they interact with these polar molecules, causing them to vibrate rapidly. This vibration generates heat, which is what cooks the food. The faster the molecules vibrate, the more heat is generated, and the quicker the food cooks. Other polar molecules in the food, such as fats and sugars, also absorb microwaves and generate heat, but to a lesser extent than water molecules. Understanding the polar nature of water molecules is crucial in understanding how the microwave oven works and why it is more effective at cooking foods with high water content. It is also essential to note that heating water in the microwave oven can cause it to become superheated, which can be dangerous, and therefore, care should be taken when heating water in the microwave oven. Slide 6 discusses the concept of penetration in the microwave oven. Microwaves can penetrate certain materials such as glass, paper, and plastic. When these materials are heated in the microwave oven, the microwaves are absorbed by the food inside, causing it to cook. However, microwaves cannot penetrate metal or aluminum foil. When microwaves hit metal, they reflect off it, preventing them from being absorbed by the food. This reflection can cause arcing and damage the microwave oven, which is why it is essential to use microwave-safe materials. It is also important to note that while some plastics are safe to use in the microwave oven, others may release harmful chemicals when heated. Therefore, it is important to use only microwave-safe plastics when cooking in the microwave oven. Understanding the penetration properties of microwaves is important in ensuring that the food is cooked evenly and safely in the microwave oven. Slide 7 discusses the importance of the turntable in the microwave oven. The turntable is a rotating plate that is located at the bottom of the microwave oven. Its primary function is to ensure even cooking by rotating the food as it cooks. As the microwaves cook the food from all angles, the turntable ensures that each part of the food is exposed to the microwaves, preventing hot spots from forming. Without the turntable, some parts of the food may not cook as quickly as others, resulting in unevenly cooked food. The turntable is especially important when cooking large or thick foods, as it ensures that the food is cooked evenly from the center to the edges. Understanding the role of the turntable in the microwave oven is important in ensuring that the food is cooked evenly and thoroughly, resulting in a better cooking outcome. Slide 8 highlights the importance of safety when using the microwave oven. While the microwave oven is a convenient and efficient way to cook food, it can also be dangerous if not used properly. Microwaves can cause burns, so it is important to use oven mitts or a towel when removing hot food from the microwave oven. They can also cause fires if the microwave oven is operated empty or with metal or aluminum foil inside. Operating an empty microwave oven can cause the microwaves to reflect back into the magnetron, causing damage and increasing the risk of a fire. Metal or aluminum foil can cause arcing, which can also damage the microwave oven and increase the risk of a fire. Therefore, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and use only microwave-safe materials when cooking in the microwave oven. Understanding and following the safety guidelines when using the microwave oven is important in preventing accidents and ensuring that the microwave oven is used safely. Slide 9 discusses the various uses of microwaves beyond cooking. While microwaves are primarily used in the kitchen to cook, defrost, and reheat food, they also have a range of other uses. Microwaves are used in scientific research for various experiments and analyses, particularly in the field of spectroscopy. They are also used in radar systems to detect the location, speed, and direction of objects. Additionally, microwaves are used in communication systems, particularly in satellite communication and wireless communication technologies such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The versatility of microwaves makes them valuable in many areas beyond the kitchen, demonstrating their importance in various fields. Understanding the diverse uses of microwaves is important in appreciating the significance of the technology beyond its everyday use in the kitchen. Slide 10 provides a brief conclusion to the presentation on how microwave ovens work. Microwave ovens are a convenient and efficient way to cook food, and they work by using electromagnetic waves to generate heat. By causing water molecules in food to vibrate, they heat the food quickly and evenly. They have become an essential appliance in many households, providing a convenient way to cook, defrost, and reheat food. While they are primarily used in the kitchen, they also have a range of other uses in scientific research, radar systems, and communication systems. Understanding how microwave ovens work and their various uses is important in appreciating the technology and its significance in modern society. The convenience and efficiency of microwave ovens make them a valuable appliance in many households, making them an indispensable part of modern life. Hi, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your comments, likes, and shares mean the world to me and inspire me to keep creating content. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. By doing so, you'll never miss a video and you'll be helping me reach more people with my message. I promise to continue providing high quality and engaging content that you love, so hit that subscribe button and join our community today. Thanks again for your support, and I will see you in the next video.